How to remove negative Google reviews about your business in 2026. Most online reputation management videos are big shams. Like, it's gonna be some robot telling you, solicit positive reviews, try to report it, but it might not work. Like, there's no real information. I'm gonna give you actual information in this video because I've been doing this for 11 years and I was just doing it like yesterday. Okay? And I've worked with everybody under the sun, from the best industry professionals all the way to people, you know, they're cybersecurity professionals, all the way to like people who just said they do something, they didn't end up doing it. So here is what I recommend for removing negative reviews. If the review is new, report the hell out of it, okay? So if there's a 1-star review that just got published, there are so many different factors Google's AI just will not trust the review for. How do I explain that in a better way? If the review says bad service, go and report the review, choose the most relevant option. The one that Google probably would believe is that this person has no connection or never tried the service or the business. Report it for that reason. There's a reason that literally says person's review is not descriptive enough. Just click that one. Then I want you to report it like 20 times a day, okay? Don't use your own IP address 20 times on 20 different accounts because Google will catch you. Google's very particularly good at geocaching, location. They'll know exactly where you are. What I recommend you do, just tell your family to report it. Report it yourself, report it with your family. Go every single day and report that same review. Chances are like probably 50% or higher that review is getting removed. And we will just do this for every review. The guaranteed removal agencies do this for every review. So this isn't going to be good enough. Like, if your business is like a 2-star, something bad happened, you have like 5, 6, 7, 8 really bad reviews, maybe you can remove 3 or 4, but then you're just gonna go up to like a 2.7 star rating or a 3.2. It's not gonna take care of your whole situation. So what you then wanna do is solicit reviews. Now listen, I know Federal Trade Commission has made some new laws. Consumer Protection has made some new laws. If you're a restaurant selling sandwiches, I don't think it is the end of the world personally, just because they made a funny law, that your uncle reviews your burger shop. I don't think it is a really big deal. If you're an immigration consultant, let's say, or you're a lawyer, then fake reviews are very bad, okay? Very, very bad. But let's say there's just somebody who hates your business and posts like 27 negative reviews. Now you lose all your business and your livelihood. We're not gonna just stick 100% to the rules here. So here's a strategy I recommend. I can't say recommended, maybe I'll redact that, but a strategy or a derivative of this strategy. I have a cousin who, we had some clients, people just had a vendetta against the business, made some extremely negative reviews. We went and we removed the review. Okay, we removed many of the negative reviews using this strategy. The newest reviews, we flagged them on Google, reported them many times, we removed like 5, 6, 7 reviews. Then that left us at like a 3.8 star. What we then went to do is we gave public events, public consultations. We even set up a stand in the local mall here, the Square One, and we gave out energy drinks, talked about the business, and asked for a review. People did it mainly because of the energy drink, but we didn't say, hey, here's an energy drink, we'll only give it to you in exchange for a review. We'd tell them about the business, we'd give them an energy drink, we'd be nice to them, or we'd give them some sort of whatever. Now it's not allowed. When we did this, it was allowed, but now they've made even stricter reviews. Like, Google says you can't be at the location when you make the review now, apparently. There's a whole bunch of other, just asinine rules that are out there that are going to cost you your whole business and all of your revenue if you decide to follow them to a T. Now, I'm not saying manipulate your Google reviews and lie. That's not good. You shouldn't do that. And if you're in a particular industry with important compliance, then don't violate that compliance. But what I am saying is you do have to get creative. Otherwise, you're going to get paralyzed. And everything's going to be regulated. Google's going to regulate your reviews and what you can and cannot say, what you can't post, who you can solicit a review from. And then the Federal Trade Commission is going to control you. So I see all these crises every single day. And what I'd like you to do is gain control of it. So again, report, solicit your positive reviews, use friends and family, use your own, IP address for your initial reports, and then go out there and do something creative that I just suggested. Do an event maybe, host an Eventbrite event at your library for $100, get people to review who attend, get people a free ticket if they give a review. But do cross-check this with Google. Don't just take my word for it. Obviously, there's risk in anything that you do, but I would not get paralyzed. Those are my recommendations. If you need help, we have this all like SOP. We have a standard operating procedure for how we do this, how we approach it. We do it very quickly. We guarantee a high star review because we'll just keep doing it. And it drastically transforms business presences. So I'd be happy to help you. Book a call. Thanks for watching.